Hello, if you want to learn Japanese quickly and easily without any books or classroom time, then you've come to the right place. Let's start talking right now. Hello, I'm Kerwin.
And I'm Blaine, and we're your hosts of the Easy Go Japanese channel, where you learn simple and easy Japanese short words and phrases so you can start speaking Japanese right now.
In this episode, we'd like to introduce to you the word eat, or to eat, along with some everyday phrases. The word for eat is TABEMASU. TABEMASU, that's the word for eat. First off, you may want to state that you're hungry. If so, you'd want to say, Onaka ga suita. Onaka ga suita, which means I'm hungry.
Here's a way to ask your friend or your friends what they would like to eat. You would say, Nani o tabemasu ka? Nani o tabemasu ka? Which is, what would you like to eat? Possible answers could be, blank wo tabetai desu. The blank could be filled with anything that's edible, of course. Tabetai desu means want to eat. For example, sushi o tabetai desu or ramen o tabetai desu. Sushi o tabetai desu means I want to eat sushi, and ramen tabetai desu means I want to eat ramen.
Once you've made a decision as to what type of food you want to eat, you can ask the question, blank ya doko desu ka? Again, blank could be any name or food type that you're talking about. Ya is an abbreviated word meaning restaurant or shop. Doko desu ka means where is. So for an example, you could say, sushi ya doko desu ka? Where is the sushi restaurant? All right, then. This is going to wrap it up for this episode on learning how to say and use the word eat in Japanese.
Well, what did you think of today's episode? Please tell us in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you.
If this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button and then the bell so that you don't miss a single episode.
And if you're a returning subscriber, we want to thank you for supporting us and our channel.
Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.
Mata ne.
Mata ne.